animal noises because the animals will be arguing. So if you can help out by making some noises, and then when they're swimming, we also need some noises, and we'll tell you what the animals are, so you can just adapt an animal and just make it sound like it, and then we'll do the rest. Okay? Thanks a lot. So,
a long, long time ago, a rat, an ox, a tiger, a hare, a dragon, a snake, a sheep, a horse, a monkey, a cockerel, a dog and a pig were all arguing very loudly indeed.
Is it a cat?
It was almost time.
Whoa.
It was almost time for the Chinese New Year, and each animal wanted the New Year to be named after it. The gods heard the dreadful noise and asked what the problem was.
Oi, you lot! What's the problem?
When the animals explained why they are arguing, the gods decided the animals should have a swimming race. They said that whatever animal could swim the fastest to the other side of the river would have the New Year named after it.
You lot, you have to race across the river. First one there will have the year named after him.
They're drowning.
Ready, steady, go, said the gods.
Ready, steady, go.
No.
And all the animals jumped into the water.
I think it's me.
Sally.
Soon, the ox was in the lead, but the rat quickly caught hold of the ox's tail and carefully jumped onto the back of the ox without the ox realising. The ox swam as fast as he could with the rat on his back. And guess what happened? Just as the ox was about to reach the other side of the river and win the race, the rat jumped over his head and landed on the riverbank.
Hey.
No.
Ratty wins.
So the rat won the race, and the gods named the new year after him, the year of the rat. The ox could not understand why he hadn't won.
Oh.
The ox had come second, of course, the tiger third, the hare fourth, the dragon fifth, the snake sixth, the horse was seventh. The sheep was seventh, the horse was eighth in place, the monkey came in ninth place, the cockerel was 10th, the dog was 11th, and finally came the pig.
Ah.
The gods said because everyone had tried their best in the race, each of the animals could have a new year named after it.
Yay.
Hey!
Good job.
Any final thoughts for the camera, guys? No?
Hope
Right.
you found this informative and interesting.
Thanks, Nick.